What we found now in further investigation is that the torque of the screws on the back, or how it's put into the panel, seem to be the issue here. Right now what we've done is we've taken your specification sheet, which is found on page 40 in the user's manual, and right on there it talks about having them put at 1.35 nanometers of torque on the screws. We did that, and that's a number 4 on our screwdriver, which is a calibrated screwdriver that we sent. Calibrated screwdriver that we send out for calibration and make sure it's up to snuff. And then we rechecked it with our template screwdriver, and everything is up to snuff. So we would have put it at 4. Well, 4 is higher than we had set them at originally. Originally we did it only at number 2. So then now what we've done is we put the screen back into the enclosure and we've tightened it to number 1. And we've also found another anomaly, that if we move the screen, sometimes it'll drop out, even at number 1. Okay, now in this case it's not doing it, but if we were to tighten it to number 2, it'll drop out, which is half the torque that you've got in your specification. And it appears that it's down in the lower right-hand, I guess it would be the lower right-hand corner as you face it near the power switch. That seems to be the area that's suspect. But the minute we tighten it up, we either lose it or there it goes, it's gone. So, and that's pretty much standard. You know, if somebody grabs that cover and opens it, it's going to be a situation like that. So I think we've isolated the problem. What we're going to do is we're going to keep the panels in place here, but we're going to loosen them up so that it's probably about 0.35 nanometers, not 1.35. So it's very, very loose, yet still holding it in place, and we're going to power everything up and get it to work. But this, obviously, there's a problem between the torque. The board must be, something's going on in the framework of the board. Maybe when you tighten it too much, it bends it, it makes contact with something, or something along those lines. So
did it come back?
that's our report. No, thanks.